Bob Huber, Vintage Lambo. And so this is just a little bit of an idea of some things that I was using to do the exhaust. Getting some pre-bent tubing and making these little guys up. What I'm going to show you today is the outer tacked up, and then the inner is made up and taped into place. And that's the step that I'm going to show today, and then the next step will show everything welded up. Okay, let's get on with it. Alright, so it's easy does it, and just use as many use pins as you can so that you can keep the weld to a minimum. 2 down, and I think another 5 or 6 more to go. Okay, on this one I'm not going to have much over here, 3/4 of an inch or so, and a 60 degree over here. So I can handle this better, I'm just going to cut this off first, then cut this one off. If I cut this one off, it's going to be a little bit harder to handle that. Okay, gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this one all straightened out, and then I'll come back, and then I'm gonna have to cut this on the bandsaw. All right, we're gonna flatten things down on this guy here, and then with this belt here, then we're gonna take off any burrs that are on the outside. All right. Okay, and now we're going to do a little deburring on the inside. All right, so we have our cut pieces. I need to go ahead and trim these things out. I will tack some straight away off the car, like I know that I need to put this together like that, so that's going to get put together. Then also these 2 bins here, I have this one small little piece here. These are going to be tacked into the proper angle. You know, everything's marked on the wood and plastic, so I'm just going to go off those angles, clean these tubes up, transfer these marks onto here, and then we'll do some tack welding of these, and then we'll go to putting it onto the car, and then we'll probably be using some tape to hold things in place, and then we'll tack it onto the car, then substantially tack it on the car, take the units off, and then weld them all up. And then we'll go from that point, then we're going to go to the center muffler and weld that up. All right, now we have the inner pipe on. I have it taped into place, and then I'm going to cut some of the tape so I can put a felt marker through there where I want to go ahead and line it up so I can tack it in place. Let me just flip over to the other side. You can see the outer is tacked. So from this viewpoint, you can see again the inner being taped like that, and then that outer. See, I've got decent clearance on that pipe coming down. Everything is working out really well. This is actually going to be going down a little bit. I have put it together without the gasket, so it will drop just a smidgen. So I'm pretty confident about everything fitting well. Of course, I'll tack it into place, put it back on, make sure it fits, all that good stuff. All right, so please like and subscribe. I'll try and get this video out soon.